Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll act fast. First, make sure your device clock is correct and your network is stable because HTTPS relies on certificates tied to time. Once done, open Chrome settings, go to Privacy, then clear browsing data and remove cached images, cookies, and site data. This removes stale certificate or redirect state. After clearing, restart Chrome and reload the page using Ctrl+R or CMD+R. Doing these steps resolves many transient HTTPS errors and tells you if the problem persists beyond local cache issues. Next, inspect the certificate to learn why Chrome flags the site. Click the padlock icon, view certificate details, and check issuer and expiry to see if it's invalid or self-signed. While you're doing that, disable all extensions or open the page in incognito to rule out interception by an extension. If an internal profile issue is suspected, switch to another Chrome profile or reset Chrome flags to defaults. These steps isolate whether the issue is certificate-related, extension interference, or a profile/config corruption. Finally, tackle network and system layers. Flush your DNS cache, and if on Windows, run ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac OS, run the mdns responder command. Check antivirus or firewall settings for HTTPS/TLS scanning and temporarily disable that feature since it can intercept certificates. If problems persist, try another browser to confirm Chrome-specific behavior, and then contact the site administrator including the certificate issuer and error message. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.